Hey everybody, Ronnie with Slater. I'm going to cut some slate today, and I found a guy on YouTube. His name is James Parker. He's a stone sculptor in Scotland. So shout out to you, James. Thank you for your help. I've got a big job that I'm doing a lot of slate like this, and a lot of slate like this. If I've been smarter, I'd have ordered the slate cut, but anyway, so cutting slate is not that hard. For this job, I probably have to cut about 500 slate. Half the slate have this end and half the slate have this end. So what I've done is I made my template and I scribed my lines, and if you come on in, you can see that cutting a concave is pretty easy. This is a short slate cutter, North Country Slate, the Glendyne Quarry from in Canada. So shout out to y'all. Thank you. This is great slate, but it's really easy to cut. This is 1/4 inch thick. Always cut your slate from the back, and you can see that was pretty easy. So that one goes really well. The ones that have inside cuts, they're a whole lot more, used to be a whole lot more challenging, because if you tried to cut an inside curve with this, it just goes pretty poorly. So what I did is I scribed my lines, and I cut off the straight section. I kind of chomped in a little bit. And now I use a pipe and a hammer. And it's kind of amazing at how close, if you see this line right here, that's what I want to keep. Not too bad. And what I do to kind of smooth out the curve, that just a little bit. And now let's do it the other side. The pipe helped me a lot for cutting these concave, these ones. How about that? Inside curves. Now, a little bit more over here, you can see. There we have it. Thanks, I hope that was helpful. Y'all take care.